Deep inside a vast green forest lived a powerful tiger named Tyson. His orange coat shone like fire, and his roar echoed through the valleys. All the animals feared him, not just because he was strong, but because he was known as the undefeated hunter. No animal dared to question him. Tyson believed one thing above all else: power means control. Every day, he hunted more than he needed, not for hunger, but to remind the forest who ruled it. One summer, the forest faced its worst drought in many years. Rivers dried up, trees shed their leaves early, and animals grew weak from thirst. Hunting became difficult, and fear spread everywhere. One evening, while walking near a riverbed, Tyson noticed a small deer limping toward a single remaining water pit. The deer was thin, shaking, and clearly injured. Tyson smiled to himself. An easy hunt, he thought. He stepped forward, growling softly. The deer looked up, terrified, but did not run. Instead, it bowed its head. "Great tiger," the deer said weakly. "I know I cannot escape, but please, spare me today. My fawn is hidden nearby. If I don't return, it will not survive." Tyson laughed. "Since when do hunters listen to excuses?" he roared. But something strange happened. The deer didn't beg again. It simply closed its eyes, ready for its fate. For the first time, Tyson hesitated. Memories flashed through his mind of when he himself was a cub, hiding while his mother went hunting, waiting, hoping. His growl softened. "Go," Tyson said suddenly. "But remember, this mercy is rare." The deer opened its eyes in disbelief, bowed deeply, and disappeared into the bushes. That night, Tyson couldn't sleep. Days later, hunters entered the forest with fire and traps. Tyson roared loudly and attacked them, but there were too many. Smoke filled the air, and even Tyson was hurt and felt powerless. Suddenly, the forest came alive. Monkeys dropped stones from trees. Birds flew in flocks to block the hunter's sight. Deer led them into muddy paths, and elephants destroyed the traps. Tyson realized something astonishing. The animals he once ruled through fear were now standing beside him. By sunrise, the hunters had fled. The deer spoke gently. "You spared my life when you didn't have to. Kindness is remembered, even in the wild." Tyson felt something he had never felt before: gratitude. From that day on, Tyson changed. He hunted only when necessary. He protected the weaker animals from danger. Slowly, fear in the forest turned into respect. Tyson looked at the forest, calm and alive. Because power that destroys brings loneliness, but power that protects brings balance. Moral of the story: true strength is not shown by how much you can take, but by how much mercy you can give. Kindness always returns, often when you need it most.